Good day everyone. Today we're in for a wild adventure at Moonlit Sanctuary in Melbourne. It's a place where you can get up close and personal with some of Australia's most incredible creatures for a whole day of family fun. Our first stop, the cuddly koala. These furry friends are known for their laid-back lifestyle. They sleep up to 20 hours a day, and who can blame them with such comfy eucalyptus leaves? Next up, a magical moment as a kookaburra gracefully lands on your hand. These cheeky birds are known for their hearty laughter, and they're not so shy about sharing it with you. Over here we have a mother kangaroo, proudly carrying her adorable baby Joey. It's a heartwarming sight that'll make you smile. Now, let's meet some more furry friends. Kids and adults alike can feed and interact with these gentle kangaroos, creating precious moments of connection. And now, a chance to hold wisdom itself in your hand. Meet our barn owl. Barn owls have been featured in various cultures and folklore, often associated with mystery and magic. Our adventure continues as we meet Lucy the python. Watch and wonder as she glides with grace.
Yeah, that's fine, as long as you don't grab. Use this to perch.
Next stop is dingoes. These intelligent creatures will charm you with their playful personalities. Moonlit Sanctuary is also home to threatened animals, like the southern batong and eastern quoll, plus some adorable and wonderfully weird creatures. So if you find yourself in Melbourne, don't miss the chance to visit Moonlit Sanctuary. It's a place where you can cuddle koalas, cradle kookaburras, feed kangaroos, connect with dingoes, bond with owls, marvel at pythons, and do many more. Before we wrap up this amazing day, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more adventures like these in the future. And remember, every visit to Moonlit Sanctuary supports wildlife conservation efforts.